Day 2 here on the 460 project. Ty's Custom Fencing just got here with his Evo Compact, fresh off the press. Come from Farm Fence Solutions. We've got 2 of these machines running this morning. I'm out here marking paddocks and trying to lay out posts and string lines and everything that they need so that these post drivers will not have any downtime. Stay tuned, we've got some drone footages going on today. We've got some time lapse. It's going to be a real good video of this project. Continuing day 2, Stone Wreath Stud. We've got all the road front done, the poster drove. It's about 1,900 feet face post that stretches along the road here. And now we've got the second paddock, or the first paddock, I'm sorry. We've got the first paddock being drove. Ty's Custom Fencing's up there on top of the hill. He started right here in a curve going up the hill, and that's what's going to be V-mesh here. And then we've got Hershey Fencing on the other end coming up the hill, driving those posts to this curve. So like I've explained, we run our string line and we'll lay out all the posts. And then, as you can see up here where it's got the sharp angle there at the string, we just take some paint and kind of make a gradual curve. That way it don't look so pointy. And then we just mark at each post where the post drivers are going to need to put everything. You can see them down there at the bottom of the hill working their way up here. They just now got the road front done and heading this way. This whole field all the way up to this barn, those 2 barns, everything's laid out all the way around. So now I'm going to go over this way and start a new paddock there and get it laid out. I'm going to show you guys how straight these posts are. Let's see. I don't know if you can. I just got a shipment of Strain-Rite equipment in. We've got some post hole diggers, a fencing spade, I don't know what they call that. I'm gonna have to ask Luke. A couple stretcher boards here. We've got chain strainers. We got a wire tensioner tester. I wanted this so I could show my clients what kind of tension's on the fence. Nipex nippers. We've got a few sets of those. A couple anchor chains. And then I'm gonna try these barbed wire crimps sleeves. We're usually use Kiwi for the crimp, but we're going to switch over and see if these barbed wire crimps are any better from Strain-Rite. So I'm going to do a tool review on each tool that we're going to be using. Strain-Rite has a good line of tools, high quality. They are not cheap, but if you buy good tools, they will help you in the long run. They'll last longer. Usually they have a warranty with them, so you can return them if they do break. Let's see, I got some boundary strainers as well. The boundary strainers are going to be used to tighten up the fence, and we'll show you the process of doing that whenever we start stretching out our V-mesh. So what you see behind me is a John Deere Gator 835M. This is my new fencing rig that I'm going to set up with all the Strain-Rite tools and everything that you need for fencing, air compressors and post hole diggers. And what my intentions is here is I'm going to have something custom built like a headache rack, and it's going to extend all the way to the front of the machine, past the front actually, is what I want for these longer tools, because I was thinking about putting tools on the side like this, but I'm afraid where things are sticking out, if one of my guys walks around it, they'll hit their head or something. So I think that's just a liability that I don't need. So I'm going to build a probably 6 inches, just like as deep as this bed on top, and I can throw the tools that are too long to put on the side, and that way I have everything on here. Put an air compressor in there. I'm going to put a high tensile reel on the side, hose reel, and then also I've got a seat in here that lifts up where you can put more valuable tools. I'm gonna have some toolboxes hanging down. I think I want some drop toolboxes so I can put a chainsaw up there and be able to lock it. And then we'll just keep going from there. I know I'm gonna put a winch up front, and I've got an 8-foot magnet that I'll run where we've done all our fencing. We do a lot of tear out and a lot of nails are on the ground, so we want to make sure that we protect the horses from getting a nail in the foot, because a horse can't just sit down and get well. So I'll put a magnet on the front that I can lift up and down with the winch as I go down through a valley and up, and I need to get closer to the ground, and if I start to hit or something, I can just raise that up really easy. Stay tuned and we'll get this fencing rig in shape, and like and subscribe my channel, and we'll keep producing good videos for you. Thanks.